now has accessed Ministry of Home Affairs note, which it has clearly stated that action against Zakir Naik is something that will be taken. The Islamic Research Foundation, that is something that is headed by Islamic preacher Zakir Naik. In the note, the government has mentioned that statements and speeches made by Zakir Naik are objectionable and subversive in nature. We have more details of that note coming in. In fact, this note that I hold in my hand is the Ministry of Home Affairs note that we have. This note clearly stating here the Islamic Research Foundation is registered in Mumbai. It says the stated objective of IRF is to promote charitable education. However, it goes on to say that there are several unlawful activities that are being carried on by Zakir Naik's organization, the Islamic Research Foundation. It says the aforesaid activities of the IRF and its president, Dr. Zakir Naik, are highly inflammatory in nature and prejudicial to the maintenance of harmony between various religious groups and communities. If urgent steps are not taken, there is every possibility of more youth being motivated and radicalized to commit terrorist acts. Now, this Home Affairs note actually points out that the government is looking at declaring the IRF, the Islamic Research Foundation, to be an unlawful association under subsection 1 of section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act of 1967. Once this decision is taken, it has the approval of the Law Ministry as stated in this Home Ministry Affairs note. It says Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Legal Affairs and Legislative Department have concurred with the note and the notification. It says the government will take a call very soon on whether the IRF should be declared an unlawful association under the subsection 1 of section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. This note very clearly has the stamp of the Ministry of Home Affairs. The government at the highest level is awaiting approval and is going to okay this decision that has been taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And what we are given to understand is that this entire issue is going to be decided by the government very shortly. It's pending decision from the highest level. It says the entire notification of the IRF to declare IRF an unlawful association is likely to be taken very soon. We are also given to understand, according to this Ministry of Home Affairs note, the notification shall have effect from the date of its publication in the Official Gazette in accordance with the powers vested in the central government in terms of provision of subsection 3 of section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. It also says that the Ministry of Home Affairs will thereafter refer the notification to a tribunal. So all the action is ready for the government really to take a call. Zakir Naik's organization, the Islamic Research Foundation, could be declared an unlawful association as soon as the government takes a final call on this entire issue. What we do have in our hand is the note of the Ministry of Home Affairs, which says the statements and speeches made by Dr. Zakir Naik, the president of IRF, are objectionable and subversive in nature, and he's been extolling the known terrorists like Osama bin Laden, proclaiming that every Muslim should be a terrorist, and claiming that if Islam had indeed wanted, 80% of Indian population would not have remained Hindus. So these preachings and these speeches by Dr. Zakir Naik have been found objectionable by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which is likely to take a decision on declaring the entire Islamic Research Foundation as an unlawful association under subsection 1 of section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. What is also being decided by the government very shortly is the fact that this decision will be taken very soon. This two-page note of the Ministry of Home Affairs clearly talking about action that will be taken by the government very shortly on the issue of declaring IRF, which is the Islamic Research Foundation, as an unlawful association. Will this mean that it will enter the list of banned organizations like the SIMI? The entire matter will be referred to a tribunal which will have a High Court judge at its head, which will look into any issue of the IRF and any arguments put up by the IRF. But the government could take a call with immediate effect to declare Zakir Naik's Islamic Research Foundation as this unlawful association.